Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, we're going to talk more about how your consumer FICO scores really work. So, the type of credit you're using, or the mix of credit or depth of credit you have, accounts for 10% of your overall consumer FICO score. Now, the FICO recommends that you have a balance of both revolving accounts, like credit cards, and other types of loans, like installment loans, auto loans, or mortgages. They really prefer that you have no more than three major credit cards. And of course, you'll probably have some store credit cards on top of that. That you don't have more than two mortgages on your consumer credit report, no more than two auto loans, and no more than two other kind of installment loans. If you have this, then you have the proper credit mix per FICO. But if you have more or less accounts than recommended, that can hurt that 10% aspect of your FICO score. For more information on getting financing and credit for your business, visit us online at creditsuite.com.